Over a month ago, I started trading the Easy Algo EAs, the free versions of the popular Waka Waka, Percept Trader AI, Momentum, and other Valery EAs, which are amongst the most expensive EAs on earth. But I funded a 5K live account with IC Market, so I got them for free. Let's see what the results are after 45 days. And I have right in here the VPS, which was also granted for free after I signed up. And you can see that I'm trading the Easy AI, which is the Percept Trader, the Easy Momentum, which is the Momentum EA, and the Easy Waka. So I started this account exactly on the 20th of June at 7 p.m. was the first trade with Aussie Cat, and that was with the Easy Waka. And you can see that the initial balance was $5,000. There were plenty of trades from the Easy Waka, from the Easy AI, as well as from the Momentum. Here are a few trades, and the total profit is $73.66. After the cost, this is $61.06. And I know this is not a lot of profit in 5K account. I wasn't really happy when I saw the results after 1 month, but after analyzing the results, then because I was trading this with very low risk settings, I have a plan how I can potentially make more. So here is the track record of the live account, and you can see that the total return is 1.2%. But in this account, I am trading one more time the low risk set, which is 0.25% load. And you can see that the EA start trading with 0.01. It is the same risk I have set with the 3 of the expert advisors. And the rule is simple: the more you risk, the higher chances you have to make profits, the higher chances you have to blow the account. The lower the risk is, you will make less, but something in the middle is the best option always. So let's see where this golden middle is, and I will show you that I've spent quite a lot of time figuring out how to proceed from this point. If I click on stats, you will see that the monthly return is low, the profit factor is high, so increasing a little bit the risk will be a solution, but I wanted to do it for the most profitable strategy. And if you look at the strategy, you will see that there are plenty of magic numbers, and it is really hard to figure out which of the strategies is most profitable. If I show you one more time the MetaTrader, you will see that the magic numbers change even with the same expert advisor. For example, right in here, the Easy Waka has a magic number that ends on 000, but the next trade is with 001, and then the next one is 002. So the recovery trades that closed at the same time, you see this is the first trade that started with 0.01. It was selling the Aussie Cat. A second trade was added to the first position, and again the magic number changes, which makes it a little bit complicated to figure out which is the most profitable strategy, because the losses we had, for example, with these last magic numbers were recovered from the next trade. So it's the same strategy, we just see the losses in the bottom, the profits on the top, and it makes it nearly impossible to figure out which is the most profitable strategy. The good thing is, if I increase the terminal, you will see that the highest lot I see right in here with the Easy AI or the Percept Trader AI is 0.08, and if I scroll higher, you will see that there are no bigger lots than that, and 0.08 in a 5K account is just alright. But because I have the Waka Waka trading on a $3,000 live account, I'll show it to you. If I go to the results and I go to the live trading section, you will see that I have the Waka Waka on a $3,000 live account, and this one has been performing really well. Once I've made $1,000 profit, I have have requested the withdrawal and started again with 3K, and now it's gaining some profits again. And because it's the same strategy with the Easy Waka, I will simply remove it from this IC Markets 5K account. Let me check the open trades if there are trades with the Easy Waka, and I think there is one. Yep, right in here. I will close that trade manually, and I will leave trading in the account only the Easy AI with a little bit higher risk. I will increase it to mid risk, and I will click on OK, and I will do the same thing for the Easy Momentum, and I will click on OK. Also, the vendor has all of the expert advisors on live accounts, and the track records are verified. You can see that the Easy Scalper is losing recently. Easy News is up and down, so I'm not trading it. The Easy Gold is the golden pickaxe, which for me is a little bit riskier system. It is a grid martingale system for the gold, which is always risky. The Easy Momentum is profiting recently. That is why I wanted to keep it at the account. And you can see that this is a verified track record with a live account from IC Markets. And actually, the Easy Momentum is suitable for small deposits, like $200 is this account. With the Easy Waka, we all know the track record is awesome, and there was just one huge drawdown back in May 2024. Since then, it's been profitable. It's been profitable for me as well. Here is the Percept Trader. So if I show it to you, you will see that we have a very stable performance, no huge drawdowns. According to this verified track record, the drawdown is 21.96%. So I think it's gonna be okay to keep trading the Easy AI, which is the Percept Trader AI, and the Easy Momentum with a little bit higher risk, mid risk set to 1% lot, which will open a little bit higher lots, a little bit more exposure, but obviously it's not worth funding $5,000 live account if we make less than 1% a month. So if I achieve 2 to 3% a month, that will be ideal at this case. And how did I get those expert advisors for free? It is explained very clearly on their website. I have deposited $5,000 with IC Markets, which is the minimum account balance. Of course, if you're willing to trade more, you can open a bigger account, but the minimum is $5,000 and you get the EAs for free. I got the VPS, which was pre-installed with the IC Markets platform, as well with the expert advisors. So all you need to do is drag and drop them on the chart. And actually, this is not a bad deal. And at the beginning, I was a little bit skeptical about this model of getting an expert advisor for free and deposit $5,000, because still for me this is a lot of money, of course, but the Valery EAs are expensive. If I show you the website, you will see that if you want to purchase a license, they cost over $2,500, and that's just for one of the systems. And still I had to deposit money, like what I did with the Waka Waka. I deposited $3,000, and it's a huge cost, right? The cost of the EA, the cost of the account, but with the model that they launched, where you deposit the money and you get the EAs for free, it's just a little bit cheaper. Still, the threshold is high. I shared that with the vendor, but of course it's their decision how they are marketing and how they are offering the service. But at least we don't pay for the EAs. And at any moment you can say, okay, that's not for me. I'm not happy with the results. You just withdraw your money from IC Markets. They are fully regulated broker, so you shouldn't have problems with that, and you won't be losing anything. Of course, there is always risk when trading with expert advisors. This is why I start with low risk. I monitor the performance and I increase it slowly, remove some of the EAs, so there won't be too many systems in one account, and let's see how it will go. The performance will be down below in the description from my account. There will be no manipulation. I am fully transparent with my trading. As you know, if an expert advisor fails, I share it in the channel, because I really appreciate the honesty and I will keep it this way. As always guys, thanks for watching, and before you go, check out this video on my side if you want to learn more about the Waka Waka, which is, as I said, an expensive expert advisor, but it's steady, makes profits for me, and I hope it will make for you. As always, I love you, trade safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.